Okay, so this video is about how do we transition 30 to 40 trillion dollars exponentially over the next 30 to 40 years. I've been doing this for 33 years as a researcher, full-time, self-funded, for about 26 years now. I'm in a small little monastery village here in Serbia. I've got two properties I paid cash for. Got the Balkan retreat. They've done permaculture certification classes, three of them in the last like 6 years. I own this property right here with the big tree. It's a bigger property, and we're going to do, want to work with eco restoration communities, fund them for like $1 billion. Obviously, we need the circular economy. We got to get the family offices understanding this, sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, and we got to prove to people that you can actually make money and do good at the same time. Lower pollution, work with clothing, more natural products. You can work with hemp, you can work with bamboo, you can work with coconut husks, waste, mycelium, packaging. There's just a lot of things that we can do. So I've been building an eco restoration community hub here, and the farmland literally is just right at the top of this hill. That's where the farmlands start. So we want to buy farms and teach. So teaching, communication, and funding, and just the people that I know in the last 33 years is amazing. So collectively, we are 1 or 2 degrees away from talking with just about anybody on the planet who is a top expert in their field. So we can literally create millions of opportunities, and teach the youth things that they're passionate about, that they want to do. I'm a big member of the TreeGens with Jimmy Cohen as our founder. We're organizing over 1 billion trees planted on June 5th of this year. We've got 12 governments signed up to do it, and the goal is at least 1 billion trees. Just got off a Zoom with Peter. He's into mangroves as well. And with regenerative farming, we will lower the flooding risk because live soil soaks up more water, we'll have less erosion, and we'll have healthier food. So there's just so many great things that we can do. So if you are somebody who has money or has skills and gifts that you can do, we can connect together and create the not-for-profits and the for-profits to help transition this 30 to 40 trillion. Project Drawdown maybe 6-7 years ago said we needed to transition 30 trillion over 30 years. With money printing, who knows what that's going to be. But with TreeGens, we're using blockchain. We're using verified tree planters that are going to get paid money. We're going to be coming up with paying people a full-time living wage so that they can plant trees. But if we have experts leading the way in everything that we've got, and we have all the experts, we just got to connect more and fund what really matters. So if you are listening to this and you care, which, I've got like 5,200 connections on LinkedIn, 51,000 on X, and been on a lot of regenerative finance spaces, many hundreds of them over the last 4 years. And I've been talking with a lot of artists, so we can have festivals and just bring a whole range of people to create the solutions that we need. So thanks for listening to this, and let's join together, let's connect, and let's help fund what matters.